Welcome to my new beauty tour series where I take you inside local beauty stores around the world. I was at the Glossier Showroom in New York City this summer and again just last week, but they suddenly announced it was closing to make way for a brand new flagship opening on November 8 at the same Lafayette Street location in Soho. So I wanted to fast forward the release of this video to give you a look at the showroom as it was. Let's head on in.
Zit stick, try that. Boy brow brown, soothing face mist. Sure. Maybe the mask duo as well.
Sure, I love those.
If you're in New York and visit their new store when it opens, I'd love to hear what you think. If it's anything like the old space, the queues will be long and every day is busy, so the best time to beat the rush is first thing Monday morning. May the Glossier odds be ever in your favour. And before you shop, you can check out my concise reviews of every single Glossier product linked down below. See you next time.